With barely 3 days to go for the ongoing countdown for the centennial anniversary celebration of the town of Ballesteros, this 11th day of December, unfortunately and very sad to note that adverse weather is being experienced here with torrential rains, heavy downpour, non-stop for several days ago up to as of present, resulting on floodwaters affecting low-lying areas of the municipalities, particularly here at what is being focused now is at San Vicente Centro East Ballesteros, Cagayan, where almost all residents were affected by these floodwaters, as you can see from this video clipping showing streets and backyards, houses presently underwater for as deep as of the knee. This had remained for several weeks, and of course, when we do have these stagnant waters for quite a long time, it poses dangers and difficulties to the residents of the affected areas. Houses were flooded, streets with deep water were blockaded. Health and sanitation in the area needs immediate attention and concern.